DeepSeek on mobile. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this one, I'll show you how to install the DeepSeek AI app on your phone. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more like this on the channel. Subscribe, hit like. I'm always making helpful content for you. Alright, let's get started. On your phone, find your App Store, iOS or Play Store. I'm using Play Store, so I'll tap this icon here. Now, tap the search bar at the bottom. Then tap here to search for the DeepSeek app. Type in DeepSeek. You'll see it here. DeepSeek AI Assistant. Tap on it. Then hit Install. It's a light app, so it's downloaded and installing now. Now just tap Open. Agree to the terms of use and privacy policy here. By clicking I agree below, you accept the terms of use and privacy policy. Here you can quickly register with your email or phone number, or you can sign in with a Gmail account. I'll do that now using the faster method of logging in with my Gmail account. I'll click here to sign in with Google and choose a Gmail account. It warns that Google will share my name, email, and profile photo with DeepSeek. I'll click on Share, Agree and Share. And there you have it, folks. The DeepSeek app is now installed. It's pretty easy, very similar to ChatGPT. Just type what you want below and click the blue arrow for DeepSeek to respond. Don't miss my upcoming videos about this new AI. Did you manage it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.